This is how to remove a Victa Silver Streak lawnmower blade. As you can see, I've already taken two off and replaced a new one. There's not many videos out there showing you the smaller ones. It's usually just the American bar type. I can show you how to take the old one off and put the new one on. What I do is I just put something in there to chock that up against the blade. Need to put in our 9/16 spanner. Come in from the catcher, just hook that against there. You'll find a bit of pressure, and if it's been a while since you've moved them, you can use some lubricant like some WD-40, and with something in there chocked against it to stop the blade turning, you just, with a bit of pressure, and the bolt will then move. Should get loose enough by hand.